Welcome back to this channel. Today we will be studying Maths NCERT book, Chapter 4, Parts and Wholes, page number 60. So without wasting further time, Yashwant Papa, let's start.
And class 5th. Okay, this chapter is from chapter. This page is from chapter 4, Parts and Wholes of class 5th of NCERT book, Mathematics. So we'll start without further wasting time. So shall I start, Avisha?
Yes.
Game. Who colors the circle first?
Let me read.
This game. I'll read, Avisha.
No, for you.
You
This
read
game-
fast.
No.
You read fast.
No, this time I won't read.
This game is to be played in groups of 4. You also
Each player has to make a circle as shown.
shown means this is the circle like this. Okay, each player. सभी प्लेयर 4 प्लेयर है, चारों प्लेयर के पास ये एक हुआ, मतलब 4 हो जाएंगे, ऐसा सर्कल होगा. ओके, नाउ ईच वन हैज टू मेक 15 टोकन्स ऑन स्लिप्स ऑफ पेपर. वो एक पेपर लेंगे और पेपर के पीसेस कर देंगे, 15 पीसेस कर देंगे और वो उसको टोकन बनाएंगे. और टोकन पे क्या लिखेंगे? दे हैव टू राइट 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12 and so on up to 11/12 to make your tokens. वो जो पेज था, पेपर था, उसके जो स्लिप्स काटे, 15 स्लिप्स काटे, उन्हीं सभी स्लिप्स पे ये लिखा है उन्होंने 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 ये सब लिख दिए. जो 5 हो गए अपने पास और उनको we have to mix it, means shuffle the tokens, मतलब उसको इधर उधर कर देना है. सीक्वेंस पता नहीं चलनी चाहिए. एंड shuffle the tokens and make a pile in the middle of the group, मतलब उसको सफल करके सामने रख देंगे. ठीक है. Now you are ready to start the game. तो अब हम रेडी है गेम स्टार्ट करने के लिए. ओके विशा. And now the first player, for example, Havisha is the first player, takes a token from the pile. वो पाइल में से एक पेपर उठाती है, एक टोकन उठाती है, colors that part of the picture and puts the token under the pile. मतलब कि जैसे उठाया उसने, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसके टोकन में आया 1/4.
नहीं, मेरे में आया 1/2.
ओके, हविशा बोल रही है 1/2 आया, ये 1/2 आया उसके. ठीक है, उसको टोकन उठाया तो उसके 1/2 आया. सो एंड देन पुट द टोकन अंडर द पाइल. वापस उसको उसके अंदर रख देती है. वो पढ़ के पहले 1/2 आया तो 1/2 क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसको कलर करना पड़ेगा. तो ये जो सर्कल है, ये वाला बड़ा वाला सर्कल है, ये बड़ा वाला सर्कल है, तो इसका आधे को कलर करना है, मतलब 1/2 को कलर करना है. तो आधा कितना हो गया? ये मैं ले लूँ, ये आधा हो गया इधर. तो ये वाला पोर्शन, ये पोर्शन को कलर करना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो ये आधा कलर 1/2 कलर हो गया. लाइक दैट वी हैव टू प्ले. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट प्लेयर डज द सेम. अगला प्लेयर है वो, इसके बाद मेरी बारी आएगी, मैं भी स्लिप उठाऊंगा, मैं देखूंगा मेरे क्या आया. मेरे आया 1/4.
नहीं, 1/2.
How can you say? I also it is possible, Avisha, but we cannot explain again and again same thing. Okay, we have to teach the kids. Okay, so for example 1/4 आ गया. So 1/4 आया तो मेरे को क्या होगा? 1/4 1/4 of this circle. 1/4 of this circle क्या होता? इतना हो गया. ये सेक्शन 1/4 हो गया मेरे वाले में. ये सर्कल हविशा का था. मेरा सर्कल फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर है. मेरा सर्कल यहाँ पर है. ये मेरा सर्कल है और ये हविशा का था और ये मेरा. ठीक है, तो मेरा 1/4 आया तो मेरा ये सेक्शन, ये 1/4 है. ये तो मैं ये इसको कलर कर दूंगा और इसको स्लिप को वापस उसमें रख दूंगा, पाइल में सभी टोकन्स के साथ में रख दूंगा, वापस मिक्स कर दूंगा. ओके, एंड द विनर इज द वन हु फर्स्ट कलर्स द सर्कल कंप्लीटली. तो जीतेगा कौन? जीतेगा वही जो सबसे पहले सर्कल को कलर कर देगा.
Yes.
तो who won the game? I won the game.
Ah.
So Avisha, if you get 1/12, for example, आपके पास आता है 1/12, तो आप कितने सेक्शन को कलर करोगे बताओ?
पूरा
मैं इसको इरेज कर देता हूँ.
पूरा है शायद. स्ट्रोक इरेजर बहुत बढ़िया इरेजर है.
बोलो 1/12
मतलब पूरा ही रफ करना है.
Excuse me.
12 पास है तो
If Havisha gets 1/12 token,
Then she will have to color all the parts.
All parts. Think carefully, Avisha.
Then 12 parts.
1 by 12. ये देखिए ये कितने parts इस circle में? How many parts are there? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4
नहीं,
here.
1 part color करना है, 1 part.
4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 8 is not writing properly, 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, 12 here. Okay, 12. So 12 part है, 12 parts are there in this circle.
I have to color 1 part.
1 by 12 means 1 part of 12. So that for example ये वाला part इसको कलर करना पड़ेगा 1 by 12. Havisha, if I ask you 2 by 12, so this part Havisha has to color. If Havisha gets 2 by 12, then how many parts she has to color?
2 by 12 multiply by 12. 2 by 12.
Tell me Havisha, 2 by 12.
2 by 12. 2 parts.
2 parts, correct, 2 parts. So for example, she takes these 2 parts, this and this. So she can color these 2 parts. She can color these 2 parts.
Yeah.
But we should color sequentially, okay? So that we should not leave anything. Okay. Now suppose she gets
1 by 6.
3 by 12.
Oh, 3 by 12. Then I'll have to color 3.
3 parts, correct. So 3 parts from here to here. These 3 parts. Okay. You can color this section. You 1, 2, and 3. And for example, you get 1 by 6. The 1 by 6 also there, no, Isha?
Yeah, then also we have to color 2.
1 by 6.
2.
How can you say 2?
Because we can see now.
How can you say that's what I'm asking you?
Because if we divide it this whole circle into 6 parts, then each part will have 2 parts of this circle.
Avisha, we don't have to divide this whole circle in 6 parts. See, what I'm telling you, this whole section is made of 12 parts. So out of 12 parts, how many parts we have to color it? So for that, we are just, for example, to make it this down 12, we have to multiply by 2 and upper bhi. Okay, then we get 2 by 12. Okay, so that means we get 2 parts.
Yeah.
2 by 12 means 2 parts. Okay, so I can color these 2 remaining. You are getting or not getting?
I'm getting this, I'm writing so that I don't forget it.
Okay, you understood this question? Now I think I got it. Now 1 by 3, very important question, Avisha. You have to pay full attention.
1 by 3, it's very easy.
Now is easy, then tell me.
It's very easy. You have to color 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So easy.
4 parts. So how to understand this? 1 by 3 means we have to make down this 3 12. How can I make it?
3 4 is 12.
I have to multiply by 4, 3 4 is 12, and here also I have to multiply. नीचे multiply किया तो ऊपर भी करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ऊपर वाला नाराज हो जाएगा. Okay, then
ऊपर वाले तो भगवान है.
4 by 12. नहीं, nominator. What do you call it? Denominator and numerator.
Numerator ऊपर वाला है, denominator.
Numerator and denominator.
एक ट्रिक है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. डिनोमिनेटर मतलब डाउन का मतलब तो नीचे होता है, तो डिनोमिनेटर डाउन से ही रिलेटेड है, तो डाउन मतलब डिनोमिनेटर, और अगर डिनोमिनेटर डाउन है तो न्यूमरेटर तो ऊपर होगा ही. तो आसान.
Yeah, that's easy.
पापा भी भूल जाते हैं.
हाँ, so 3 4 is 12. 12 हो गया ना? So ये 4 by 12. So that means 4 parts. 4 parts we have to color it. Correct, Avisha? Got it?
Got it.
So 4 parts कौन से parts हो गए?
ये
एक ये हो गया, दूसरा ये हो गया, तीसरा ये हो गया, चौथा ये हो गया. So these are the 4 parts.
What about the remaining 2 which we colored in part 3 and 2?
Let that be there.
Leave it.
So this section
And
I
now we
can
also
color it
remind
with this color. This.
What's my color? So I will choose purple actually. instead. Wow,
Okay,
wow,
I'll
wow.
color with this.
Wow, so good colors you do.
Yeah, this color. Okay. Nice, no?
Wow, nice. Color only also with this one.
Okay, Visha. Now, if I ask you another question, see, we have completed
Now, how about
1 by 2. We have completed.
and please put
and-
red pen. I can't see properly after do this
Okay,
because it's
1 by 2 we have completed, and then 1 by 3 also we have understood, and 1 by 4 also, 1 by 6 also, 1 by 12 also, 2 by 12 also, 3 by 12 also,
4 by 12 also means 4 parts you have to color out
4
of
by
12.
12. See, 3 by 12 we have covered here, and 2 by 12 we have covered here, and 1 by 6 we have covered here, and then 1 by 4, 1 by 4,
There. 1 by
1
3.
by 4, yeah, already that we have made, no, this one, this section, 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 we made in second time, and 1 by 3 we have completed here, and then 1 by 2, that was the first we did half. Okay, so like this. So and then 4 by 12, 4 by 12, understood now, Isha? 4 by 12, nothing but 4
Four
section.
color.
4 section means here, this is the one. 1 by 3.
So easy, Papa.
So easy.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. So see, Visha, first 1 by 12 we covered, we color. Okay, and then we covered this.
It looks same color. Choose some other.
No, it has to be same color or different color. It can
You
be.
can put different also now.
Okay.
Here red I have to see very detail so towards the red. You can choose purple. Wow. I like this color.
I want to see. Oh, okay.
How about you have to color the half also now? That half gone now.
Okay. 1 by 3. How many? 1 by 3 means 4 section. So this is the 4 section.
Now one section like that we can put in 1 by 2.
And
1 by
1 by 12.
Yeah, 1 by 12. Sorry.
I think you understood now, right?
Yeah. It's very easy, Papa. Very easy.
But that day you were telling not easy. How
Very
about yellow? This yellow is
Yeah.
fine.
How about blue? I would like that. That green one you overdid it now.
Okay, that's fine. Now we are completed, right?
Huh.
I think everybody understood. We'll go ahead.
And if you didn't understand, then look, please comment in the comment box.
Okay. See who won the game.
We will do this video.
Yashwant Singh Rathod won the game.
Papa, how did you win this game?
Okay, fine. Havisha won the game.
Okay, but you wrote Yashwant Singh.
Okay, then I'll write your name.
Okay, you can write that your name also.
And what are the winners' tokens?
1 by 2, 1 by 12. And
How, Havisha, you have to be very careful because 1 by 2 you did full. We didn't do that way. So we have to see what we have taken here.
1
See,
by 12?
1 by 12. And then here, this one, 2
1
by 12.
2 by 12.
12 by 12. And this one, 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Understood?
Papa.
This is 1 by 3 or not?
Yeah, but I was telling that you did like this now. See, you did this way half, so this was 1 by 4 and this is also 1 by 4 and this is also 1 by 3. That was it.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, Avisha. 1 by 4, that's fine. 1 by 4, how we can write another way? 1 by 3? 1 by 4, how we can write again? 3 by 12, right?
Yeah.
3 by 12. And see, we have to see, Avisha, 1 by 12, this one, 2 by 12, this one, and this is 1 by 3, and then this is also 4 section. Okay? 4 section means,
We use 1 by 3 2 times.
huh?
Means we use 1 by 3 double times.
4 by 12.
Yeah.
4 by 12. Okay, and not this one then.
Yeah.
And then this one,
This
the left out,
1 by 12 must be.
another, again 1 by 12. Are you sure?
Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's right. So this is the winner tokens we have.
Okay.
हमेशा के पीछे लिख दिया, दिखा नहीं होगा, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, आई थिंक ये पजल, ये गेम आपको पसंद आया होगा, समझ में आ गया होगा, खेला भी होंगे आप बताना कमेंट बॉक्स में कि आप कौन जीता, ठीक है। या हमारे केस में कौन जीता विशा?
हमारे केस में तो पता नहीं कौन जीता,
क्योंकि हम 2 ही थे।
मेरे केस में शेयर एंड लाइक एंड
ये हरिका भी आ गई है हमारे साथ में।
शेयर एंड लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब